If we take a look at the file that was created during the migration, the matter will become more clear. Here you see the ID field defined as the primary key. Now I hope the matter is completely clear to all of you. Now let's take the authenticated user to the client details page using the return render statement. Here I am declaring a page named client.html to display client details, which I will create inside the template folder. Then, inside the curly brackets, we will pass our client record variable, which is carrying the full details of a specific client. So far we've been working with the if statement. Now we need an else statement, because if the user isn't authenticated, we need to redirect to the home page. Right? First, let's show a message to those who are not authenticated users. So type message.success, then inside the parentheses write request, then write a message with a comma. In this case, I am writing a message with, you have to log in. Now, as I said before, I will redirect the home page to the unauthenticated user. Now let's create an HTML page in the template folder called client.html. We will show the client's detailed info on this page. So before that, let's copy the extend tag and block content tag from the home page and paste it on the client page. Don't forget to end the block. Let's write client info with the h1 tag and check whether everything we did is working properly or not. So let's type client in the address bar of the web browser after port 8000 followed by a slash, and then enter a client ID followed by a slash again. In this case, I am putting 1 as the client ID. Great. Our desired page is showing now. Now let's log out and check again and see if our else statement is working properly or not. We again type client/1 after port 8000 in the browser's address bar and then hit enter. Look, the message we gave in the else statement is showing. Great. So our logic is working properly. I logged in again and typed client/1 in the address bar in the same way and hit enter. Okay, perfect. Everything is working fine so far. Now let's move forward. Let's find a way to show the client details according to our plan. We will now use the variable we declared in the views file called client record. Just put the client record variable in the client page with the Django tag. Let's check if we are getting the desired output. Wow! Our desired output is showing. Great. Notice here that the client ID is 1 in the browser's address bar. Now if we change the client ID to 2, we will see another output. Look, John's details are now showing. Great.